It has been a couple hours now, and I just want to show how it rises my bread. You can tell that it's been rising, and I've tested. It's bouncing back. It's still not ready yet. I'm gonna start my oven now. Anticipate this is gonna be ready in an hour, so I'm gonna let the oven run an hour. I just turned my oven 550 degrees Fahrenheit and for an hour. My oven, it doesn't heat well, so I have to start from the very top. So it has been another hour and it's rose a little bit more. To test if it's readiness, you press it and it will come out slowly. You can see there's a dent, but it slowly comes out. So this is the sign it's ready, but if it comes out right away, then it's not ready yet. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now. Okay, I'm gonna take the cast iron out now, and I'm gonna flip it over, and I will score the bread like that. Everybody has different way scoring their bread, and I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I put it up. There you go. I just lowered my temperature from 550 to 500, and we're gonna bake it for 20 minutes. If your oven is nice and warm, you can start 500 and lower to 450. Okay, time's off for 20 minutes. I'm gonna put 10 more minutes. I'm gonna turn on the oven light, and I will take the top off. So it definitely needs 10 more minutes. 10 minutes passed, so I'm gonna turn the oven off, and we're gonna take the bread out. Here how it comes out. Really hot. Okay. And so to check the doneness, you tap the bottom. You will hear the hollow sound. The other sign is it's nice and light. That's the way you know the bread is done. So this was the tutorial on how to make a sourdough bread. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your bread. Bye now.